Set 5, Legislative and Administrative Developments, 1885 to 1909. 1. The Indian National Congress was founded in. Correct answer, B. 1885. 2. The Viceroy Ripon is known for introducing. Correct answer, B. Local self-government reforms. 3. The Indian Councils Act of 1892 introduced. Correct answer, B. Limited Indian representation in central and provincial legislatures. 4. Under the Indian Councils Act, 1892, the Viceroy's Council could include. Correct answer, B. Non-official Indian members for legislative purposes. 5. Which Viceroy introduced the Indian Councils Act, 1892? Correct answer, C. Lord Lansdowne. 6. The Indian Councils Act, 1892 allowed indirect elections for. Correct answer, A. Provincial councils. 7. The Indian Councils Act, 1892 allowed councils to. Correct answer, A. Discuss budgets but not vote. 8. The first session of Indian National Congress was held in. Correct answer, B. Calcutta. 9. Who presided over the first session of the Indian National Congress? Correct answer, A. W. C. Banerjee. 10. The Indian Councils Act, 1892 empowered Indian members to. Correct answer, A. Suggest bills and ask questions. 11. The partition of Bengal was carried out in. Correct answer, A. 1905. 12. The Indian Councils Act, 1892 introduced. Correct answer, B. Right to discuss the budget. 13. Lord Ripon is also called the father of. Correct answer, B. Local self-government. 14. The Indian Councils Act, 1892 increased the number of non-official members in. Correct answer, C. Both central and provincial councils. 15. The Indian Councils Act, 1892 allowed asking supplementary questions for. Correct answer, B. Legislative discussions. 16. The Morley-Minto reforms were passed in. Correct answer, B. 1909. 17. The Morley-Minto reforms introduced. Correct answer, B. Separate electorates for Muslims. 18. The Indian Councils Act, 1892 was criticized for. Correct answer, B. Not providing real legislative powers. 19. Lord Curzon is associated with. Correct answer, B. Partition of Bengal. 20. The Indian National Congress initially worked for. Correct answer, B. Constitutional reforms and greater Indian representation. 21. The Indian Councils Act, 1892 allowed members to. Correct answer, B. Move resolutions and ask questions. 22. The Morley-Minto reforms are also known as. Correct answer, A. Indian Councils Act, 1909. 23. The Indian Councils Act, 1892 was passed under the Viceroyalty of. Correct answer, B. Lord Lansdowne. 24. The Indian Councils Act, 1892 did not provide. Correct answer, C. Right to vote on budget. 25. The Morley-Minto reforms aim to. Correct answer, B. Increase Indian representation and protect minority interests. Set 6. Constitutional reforms and the Morley-Minto era, 1909 to 1919. 1. The Morley-Minto reforms were introduced by the Indian Councils Act of. Correct answer, B. 1909. 2. The Morley-Minto reforms introduced separate electorates for. Correct answer, B. Muslims. 3. The Indian Councils Act, 1909 increased Indian representation in. Correct answer, C. Both central and provincial councils. 4. The first Indian member nominated to the Viceroy's Executive Council under Morley-Minto reforms was. Correct answer, B. Satyendra Prasad Sinha. 5. The Morley-Minto reforms did not introduce. Correct answer, A. Diarchy in provinces. 6. Under the Indian Councils Act, 1909, members could. Correct answer, B. Move resolutions and ask questions. 7. The Morley-Minto reforms aim to. Correct answer, B. Protect minority rights and increase Indian representation. 8. The Indian Councils Act, 1909 allowed Indian members in executive councils for. Correct answer, B. Legislative and administrative purposes. 9. The Indian Councils Act, 1909 was passed under the Viceroyalty of. Correct answer, C. Lord Minto. 10. The separate electorates under Morley-Minto reforms applied to. Correct answer, B. Muslims only. 11. The reforms increased the number of elected Indian members in. Correct answer, D. Both B and C. 12. The Indian Councils Act, 1909 allowed Indians to ask supplementary questions in councils for. Correct answer, A. Legislative discussions. 13. The Morley-Minto reforms were also known as. Correct answer, B. Indian Councils Act, 1909. 14. The reforms marked the first time Indians were included in. Correct answer, A. Central Executive Council. 15. The Indian Councils Act, 1909 expanded powers of Indian members to. Correct answer, B. Discuss budgets and move resolutions. 16. The Morley-Minto reforms were opposed by. Correct answer, C. Both A and B. 17. The separate electorates under Morley-Minto led to. Correct answer, B. Communal divisions. 18. Lord Minto served as Viceroy of India from. Correct answer, B. 1906 to 1910. 19. The reforms were intended to protect minority rights in. Correct answer, C. Both A and B. 20. Indian members under Morley-Minto could. Correct answer, B. Move resolutions and ask questions. 21. The reforms laid the foundation for. Correct answer, B. Montagu-Chelmsford reforms. 22. The Indian Councils Act, 1909 applied to. Correct answer, B. Entire British India. 23. The reforms were introduced by. Correct answer, B. Lord Minto and John Morley. 24. The separate electorates were a step toward communal representation, which later influenced. Correct answer, D. All of the above. 25. The Indian Councils Act, 1909 is significant for. Correct answer, B. Increasing Indian representation and protecting Muslim minority interests.